So today we are going to talk something about. That's because I thought only his good morning.
Good morning.
Good
morning.
Thank you. So today we are going to talk about the values. So before I get into the values of BNI, let me tell you this thing. Any organization or any individual, the way he or she or the organization survives or flourishes is all dependent upon the values that an individual or an organization has. So one of the reasons why BNI is so successful for over 45 years across the globe is the values that BNI has. So today let me ask you, what is one value of BNI? Of course there are many values, but what is that one value of BNI which we speak every single meeting that we come here? President lets us say that.
Give us gain.
Give us gain, of course, it's no brainer. So give us gain is something which the founder of BNI has given us for the last 40 to 45 years. What does this mean? It means that when we give, then that's when we get something back in return. Now, if you think about it, it's not that since 40-45 years this thing has come into the existence, that when you give, you get. I would like to draw your attention to this. The next slide, please. Next slide. How many of you have seen, heard, or written these words? All of us, right? Anytime there is festival, we write this. Shubh Labh. Has anybody seen this written in the other order, Labh Shubh?
Yes.
Obviously not. What does this mean? We all see this, we all write this, we all put these stickers of Shubh Labh. What does this actually mean?
शुभ करोगे तो लाभ होगा.
Exactly. अगर आप शुभ करोगे तो आपको लाभ मिलेगा. Which means that when you give is when you get. So BNI has brought this, give us gain as a value, as a business value for last 45 years. But we in our tradition have this concept of Shubh Labh, give us gain for tradition as years and years and years. And that's how we start most of our days, most of our festivities especially. So this is still something broad. Last week I was fortunate enough to do one-to-one with one of the senior members in the room. And that person somehow gave me a specific insight into the same. And we all know at BNI that specific is terrific. When we boil down the give us gain concept to the referral concept, how does it come across? Can we have the next slide? He gave me this wonderful insight that when we think about referrals, there are two ways we give referrals. One is accidental. So let's say I live in a society and those people are looking for somebody to provide good vegetables. And I say, okay, if you are looking for vegetables, Mr. Sonia is the right person to get in touch. That is accident. Because somebody is looking for vegetables, I am referring his name. But the value that BNI is pushing in us, give us gain, the value that our tradition has put in us, Shubh Labh, it says that whether I see the need or not, if I reach out to the person and ask, are you looking for vegetables, fresh vegetables to be delivered at your doorstep, then I will connect you to Mr. Sonia. That is intentional referral. It is then when we are living this value of BNI called give us gain, when we are focusing on intentional values, intentional referrals and not accidental referrals. So that was little insight about give us gain, linking that to Shubh Labh, which is our tradition, and furthermore, based on my one-to-one, the little insight that I got, how to actually put this into practice. So that's all from my side for today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Meghavi.